Looks like someone's a big fan of snow. Stop it, human!
I think it's more than curiosity. They genuinely seem interested in understanding how humans do things.
This little guy has big dreams of becoming a shoemaker. Just don't ask him to sew.
From the bathroom, right? Are you? Get your ass out! Nanny, what have you done now for you, Nanny? Shit, Chub Chub.
Seriously, Chub Chub? Seriously?
Yeah, sharing is not their thing.
These vet visits never get old, right? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more funny dog moments. See you around.
Get a German Shepherd, she said. I didn't realise that when the season changes, I end up with another bloody dog.
I'm guessing he's at least 5 pounds lighter after that brushing. Detective Paws is solving the mystery of the missing snowflakes. New puppy protocol. Size does not matter. Enthusiasm, however, is mandatory.
You in the door, so you gotta leave all your...
When love becomes a safety hazard.
Here we go. Yes.
And stay awesome.
Charlie Bear, what are you doing? Charlie Bear? Are you on leaf patrol? Okay. Okay.
Get the mouse. He's on your head.
I think he's a vegan now. If you love animals as much as we do,
Bosley, what are you doing?
Me trying to stay professional in a meeting. Nah, forget it.
a gentle reminder of who's in charge.
It's not a toy, bro.
Me every single morning telling my mum that I have bills to pay. Welcome back to where fun meets funny. Get ready for every golden comedy wiggle. Let the pet chaos begin.
Det var inte många minuter du var ute. Nej!
His kingdom every morning. No squirrels detected. All safe.
It's kind of crazy how much attitude fits in such a small dog.
You want me to stop? Okay.
Let's go! Let's go!
Are you stuck in there, in that beanbag? How the hell did you get in there, Gia?
See them? It makes sense.
To chase endless balls. Who knew the toughest opponent would be filled with hot air?